Hello बच्चों, the question is the technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer is recommended for those females. So the technique called GIFT. GIFT stands for gamete, I for intra, F for fallopian and T for transfer. It is an assisted reproductive technique which helps an infertile couple to have a child. So in this technique, what is to be done, as the name is suggesting, that gamete is transferred and the gamete is, female gamete is ovum. So ovum is transferred into the fallopian tube of a female. Suppose there is a female and this female is unable to produce ova, means she is unable to produce the gamete, female gametes. So and this female wants to have a child now. So in that case, another female who is said to be the donor female, now her egg or ovum is collected. Now this ovum can be collected directly from the ovary or it can be collected from the fallopian tube if it is ovulated, means after ovulation it can be received from the fallopian tube or it can be directly received from the ovary. In either case, the ovum is now transferred into the fallopian tube of the receiver or the recipient female. Now suppose this is the ovary, but her ovaries are not producing the gametes. So the gamete received from another female is introduced into her fallopian tube. So this is the ovum. Now either artificially or by the natural insemination, the sperms are received and the sperms meet the ovum. So here the fertilization is occurring in the fallopian tube of this recipient female. The fertilization is in vivo, means inside the female's body. But this gamete is not native to her, it is of another female. So that female who is donating her ovum will be the genetic mother actually. Now here let's see the options. So the technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer is recommended for those females. So it is recommended for those female who is unable to produce the ovum. So option A is the right match. Now the other three techniques are used in some other cases, like second is who cannot retain the fetus inside uterus. So in that case surrogacy is required, means if the female is unable, means her uterus is not able to implant or it is not able to fully achieve the pregnancy, then in that case the zygote or embryo from the donor female or from the genetic mother is transferred into another female whose uterus is normal. So this is called surrogacy. So this is not recommended for the female who is unable to produce the ovum. Then third is whose cervical canal is too narrow to allow the passage of sperm. In that case IVF can be done. Who cannot provide suitable environment for fertilization. So in that case ICSI or in IVF, means in vitro fertilization, is required. So if the female is not able to produce her own gametes, so gamete intrafallopian transfer technology is to be used. So option A is the right match. I hope it is clear. All the best.